Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to set camera timer on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the camera app, and as you can see now this device is taking photos right away after touching the shutter button. In order to set the camera timer, let's tap on this timer icon, and now it is of course off, but we can choose from 3 seconds or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick for example 10 seconds delay, and let's tap on the shutter button. As you can see, from now on your device is counting down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. And as I said, the photo has been taken. Let's check another option, for example 3 seconds. And the same situation, but from now on it is counting down from 3. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the timer icon again and click on timer off. And it got back to its previous state. So that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.